see what's inside the egg. We're gonna be finding some toys, some Shopkins. Well, we'll see what we can find.
Okay, so Taylor and Liam have 4 surprise eggs each.
Yeah, I can see what's inside here, but it's gonna be hard.
Okay, what color egg do you want to open, Liam?
Pink!
And Taylor, blue.
Okay, I'm gonna open this.
Okay, can you move your other eggs to the side first?
Okay. So you see what I need to guess.
Okay, Liam, what's inside your red egg?
No pink.
No pink egg. We have Shopkins, pumpkin Shopkins.
Okay.
And how about Taylor? Ooh, another egg. What's inside this green egg? Okay, just open it. Ooh, another egg. It's a blue egg. We got. Oh, what's inside the blue egg?
Yes, Taya. Okay, I'm gonna help. What did I say? Nothing.
Wow, let me see. We got rainbow twizzlers.
I want it.
Okay, here. Open your Shopkins first, Liam. Do you want help? Okay, Taylor will open his pink egg.
Okay, here's a gold and maybe it's your gold, yeah? Try, go. Ooh, what's inside?
Ooh, let me see. Inside the pumpkin, we have Shopkins backpack. Okay, here. What's inside your Shopkins backpack, Taylor?
We're not guessing.
Let's see.
We're not even guessing them.
Yeah. Do you want to get a glow-in-the-dark Shopkin?
Yeah.
So this is what's inside Taylor's
Plus, I got
Shopkins
the one next. I got another one. It's a green yacht top. I got a green yacht top.
We got Shopkins and Petkins. Okay, here.
Mommy, I got a green yacht top.
Can I see your green laptop?
No. Okay, stop.
And this is inside Oh, bless you. Liam's pumpkin Shopkin. Okay, here. Okay, yellow egg for Taylor. What's inside the yellow egg? Ooh, another egg.
Purple chocolate bar.
And another
It's
Shopkin
open. It's open.
Liam's.
It's open. It's open.
Ooh, another egg, Taylor.
Mommy, it might be open. Another egg.
And another egg. Okay, Liam, do you want to open another egg? Taylor already opened 2 eggs. It's okay, we're gonna find it later. We got Kevin, Pig Kevin.
You see what I get? Cup. An egg inside of an egg inside of an egg.
What color is your egg? Purple egg.
Twizzlers.
And we have another rainbow Twizzler. Okay, here, Liam. Ooh, Taylor got his Shopkins pumpkin. Do you need help? Okay, Liam, how many eggs did you open? Okay, Taylor's Shopkins. Let's see what's inside.
Look, yes, open this egg.
Come on, let me see.
I'm opening my egg.
Okay, Taylor, do you need help? What's inside Liam's egg?
Dun 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 dun.
A green egg. Can you guess what's in your green egg?
Let me guess that one.
Taylor got apple Shopkin. And we got a pink one. Before we got a glow-in-the-dark one and an orange one, I think. And another one
It's like a
is a
big
donut.
rock.
Purple and pink donut.
It's like a big rock.
We didn't get glow-in-the-dark today, huh? Okay, here. What's inside your egg, Liam?
It's like a big rock.
Let's see. It's another egg. You open all of yours?
I think
Okay, let's wait for Liam's egg.
I think this is an
Okay.
egg. I knew it was an egg.
And we got a red egg. What's
Okay.
inside the red egg? Can you guess what's inside your red egg?
A bouncy ball. I got ball.
We got Minion Bob.
No, I don't want
Hi.
I don't want
Click
this.
the thumbs up button if you love Minions and surprise eggs.
And got the dun 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 the golden egg. Go 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 go.
Okay, we're gonna pick it up.
I got the golden egg.
Okay, Liam, what's inside your golden egg?
Oh. Dun 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 dun. An egg inside of an egg.
It's pumpkin.
Okay, let's see.
What's inside the pumpkin?
I think it's a...
Hi, Bob. We got Shopkins backpack. And what's inside the Shopkins backpack?
a Shopkin.
What Shopkin?
I'm right!
Let me see.
Shopkin.
We got 2 Shopkins inside. Okay, can you name our Shopkins? And Petkin. Okay, here you go. Did we open all our eggs?
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments on which surprise is your favorite. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Is your twister good? Yeah. How about you, Liam? Do you want to eat yours?
We're gonna eat it now?
Yes.
Yeah, I want to clean up my